and this I will go to the form p to the power q. First we discussed dy dx of p into q is p into dy dx of q, what I say to be q dash, plus q into dy dx of p is p dash. Dy dx of p by q is q p dash minus pq dash divided by q square. Some students do some questions like this. I've seen that if it is 3 sin x, they take it as p, this as q. But trust me, you'll get the same answer. But why to do that? Because this is a constant. It will come out. By following p into q method, you will be getting the same answer. When we are bothering p and q, what are p and q basically? They are functions, not constants. So what are functions? Anything having x is the most clearest definition of a function. So if I will be given a question, y equals to, let me say, x to the power x, find dy by dx. Now if it was dy dx of x square, it was 2x. Formula used was dy dx of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So many students attempt to do this like this: dy by dx is x into x to the power x minus 1. This is wrong. Why? Because this formula is applicable only for a number, x to the power a number. It can never be a function. Due to that reason, as this is not a number like 2, 3, 4, 5, this is wrong. So if y equal to x to the power x comes, it's coming to the form of p to the power q. Nothing to worry for this, just take log on both sides. So dy dx of y is dy dx of x to the power x. What I'm doing, I'm sorry, I'll take log on both sides. So log of y is log of x to the power x. So this is x log x. Formula behind this is log of m to the power n is n log m, or in other words, the power gets attached in the left hand side. So I am getting log y is x log x. Take a differentiation dy dx on both sides. So dy dx of log y is 1 by y into dy dx of y. As y is star, I told dy dx of log star is how much you can predict. Now x is p, log x is q. So this is x into dy dx of log x, which is 1 by x, plus log x into dy dx of x is 1, is getting cancelled. So this is 1 plus log x is 1 by y, dy dx of y is what I'm writing as y dash. So y dash is 1 plus log x into y. And if you'll see the question, it was y is x to the power x. So finally I can write this is 1 plus log x into x to the power x. Because the question was given to you, if y is x to the power x, find dy by dx. So finally this y as x to the power x, you will put in place of y x to the power x. So what kind of shapes it can take is basically it can look like sin x to the power cos x, it can look like sin x to the power cos x plus log x, whatever it is, whatever toughness it comes, it'll be the same thing. That if it is p to the power q form, just take log on both sides. We'll solve the purpose. Then in which other cases it's coming in the use is if you have p into q into r into s into t and so on. There are so many functions. Let me say y is all this. For example, y equals to x plus 1 into x square plus 7 and so on into x plus 3 into x minus 5. In this case we know that dy dx of p into q is p dy dx of q plus q dy dx of p, but we do not know for more. So there we can be saved. Take a log on both sides. Log of m into n into p, we can make out the formula as log of p into q into r and so on. I'm sorry, let me make log of p into q into r is log of p plus log of q plus log of r and so on. So here this is log of x plus 1 plus log of x squared plus 7 plus log of x plus 3 plus log of x minus 5. Let anybody give me any number of things like this. I can solve it instantly that way. So this is log y. Take dy dx on both sides. Then dy dx of log of x plus 1 is simply 1 by x plus 1 plus this dy dx is actually getting distributed, dy dx of this plus dy dx of this and so on in the next step. So this is 1 by x squared plus 1. Just take care, it's 2x. Questions are given from my side. X plus 3 plus 1 by this and so on. So I believe now you can make out that if you do not know the formula of p into q, then also you are safe, because if I'll take a log on both sides, log of y is log of p into q, which is log of p plus log of q. So this is 1 by y dash is 1 by p plus 1 by q, and finally y dash is whatever 1 by p plus 1 by q into y. And how much was y is p into q. So I repeat, let me just solve a problem. You can better understand this. That if I have y equals to x plus 1 into x plus 2, there are three ways of solving this. One is I can just simplify this as x square plus 2 into x plus x into it will come to be x square plus 3x plus 2. This I can take as the question, and I can get dy by dx is 2x plus 3 plus 0. Else I'll take this as p, this as q. Please join me in the next discussion.